Kung nabanggit nyo nga na sa gitna kayo ng budget process, maliban dun sa transparency at saka open budget process na na-propose ni Speaker Martin with the opening of Congress after the SONA, ay ano pa bang mga fundamental changes yung tingin nyo without second-guessing the new Speaker? Ano yung mga fundamental changes dito sa budget process, dito sa process ng bills, ang gagawin ng House? Dahil mahalaga yan dito sa present volatile situation natin na kayo yung tinatarget ng mga protest, no? So, anong tingin nyo yung magiging fundamental changes dito sa prosesong ito?
Well, number one, let's go back to the budget. I think it's now high time that we introduce the digitalization from the time that these programs or these projects are being requested from each department up to the time that it's collated and as a result, NEP, and then ipapasa po dito sa House of Representatives. Actually, may panukala na po yan and I'm also planning to file for a bill that will digitalize to make sure that kung meron pong mga errata or mga changes or adjustment, dapat malaman po natin sino po talaga yung sponsor nito, no? Para malaman po natin, baka naman talaga kailangan yung ganitong klaseng adjustment sa isang proyekto, bibigay sa isang lugar, so that we can finally make use of the word transparent. Kasi, syempre, kailangan din ho natin malaman kung ito bang mga adjustments na to when it comes to projects and programs, if the budget reaches the BICAM, talagang this is based on the actual need of the community, no? Para po makita natin kung ano ba talaga yung dapat na continuously na popondohan ng ating gobyerno, no? Kasi sa ngayon, itong mga issue ng mga arata, in fact, I'm pretty sure you're aware of this. Itong couple of weeks ago, meron pang request no less than the President to review the budget of the Public Works and Highways. Remember, we had the initial budget briefing last week. And when Vince Dizon presented the budget, sabi niya, I cannot defend that because that's not my budget. So we had to give him some more time to review his budget and then make some necessary changes. So I guess kailangan talaga natin ma-institutionalize yung digitalization so that we can not only track down with the request of each budget entries from each departments of each sponsors, but as well as to make sure that the changes or the adjustments, once we receive the NEP, should also reflect and should not be changed and should be shown to the public kasi nakasecure na po yan through digital imprint. Yeah. So I think that's one that we really need to institutionalize. No, kung gusto talaga natin na itong budget na to ay budget talaga ng ating taong bayan.